Hey guys, today I'm going to talk to you about iMyFone's LockWiper software, which lets you unlock your iPhone or iOS device if you've forgotten your passcode, but also in some cases also unlock iCloud. Let's find out more. So I have my iPad connected and I know the passcode, but let's imagine that I don't. And I want to unlock the screen passcode, but also let's imagine that I don't know the Apple ID. So let's start with attempting to unlock the Apple ID over here. You will lose all of the data once you go through this, but let's see if it's gonna work out or not. And that was surprisingly fast. Let's see if it actually worked out or not. Let's wait for the iPad to boot up again and see what happened. So in this case, I'm going to assume that we know the passcode, but we don't know the Apple ID. So I'm going to go ahead and put the passcode. Let's see, put the passcode again. And the restore is complete and we're in. I do have to note that this only works if you do not have Find My Phone turned on. In that case, this method is going to work with all iOS versions. However, unfortunately, if you do have Find My iPhone enabled, then the only supported unlocks are on iOS 11.4 and below, which is quite old. So your only luck if you don't have the iCloud password is if Find My iPhone is disabled. Now, let's say you do know the iCloud password, but you forgot the passcode to unlock the iPad. And then in this case, you can also unlock the screen passcode. So let's give it a try. Just click Start Unlocking and click Start. It's gonna download the latest firmware package over here. And once it's done downloading, you simply click on unlock. You have to type in the zeros just to confirm that it's gonna erase all the data on the phone or on the device. And then you're gonna hit unlock and it's gonna take about 10 minutes and remove the screen lock. So let's give it 10 minutes and come back and see what's gonna happen. And the iPad is done. Obviously, it is locked, as I said, to iCloud. So you must have the iCloud password to be able to use this. And as long as you have the iCloud username and password that were used on the iPad before, you can simply sign in and regain access to the iPad. And we are in. So that's it for me. If you have an iPhone or an iOS device and you forgot your passcode, or if you forgot the Apple ID password and you happen to have Find My turned off, then this software might be for you. I'll put links in the description to the product page of LockWiper. And as always, if you liked the video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel, as this encourages me to continue producing content. Until next time, cheers.